Hey, good morning everybody. Stand over my Philippine dreams, and there's Chichai and there's Brigette. Today we are down at the public market. We are at the city veterinarian's office and Brigette is getting spayed. She doesn't know it. Okay, we should actually be quiet. Bridgette's getting spayed. Alright, so no one hearing that. This is a service that they provide sometime, I think twice a year. You can actually get it done free down here. We didn't take advantage of that. We didn't avail of that, so we actually have to pay. But it's not that much, and it's something that has to be done, especially if you're trying to avoid puppies. And I guess it's good for a dog's health overall. So we're gonna get this done. We've already scheduled. It's a little confusing down here, but hopefully we'll get it all done. In the meantime, we'll take a little tour of the public market so you can see all the sights. Bridgette's not too crazy about being down here, but it's got to be done. And she just went into heat for the first time. We should have got this done before she went into heat. She's a lady now. She had her woman's time.
She got a lot of boyfriends.
And she's got a lot of boyfriends in the neighborhood now. But they're not going to be able to take advantage of it because we're getting you clipped. Yeah. And if you're wondering where the City Veterinarian's Hospital is, it's up on the second floor of the public market. Basically right above where all the flowers are sold. You can buy flowers here. So this is the flower dealer area. The flower district, if you will. That's where that is. So we're gonna go down and take a look around at the market while Chichai stays up here with Brigette. This is the city water department. Looks like they got some flooding going on. So they're gonna have to send somebody down there, drain that. And here we have a prime selection of meats. I never get my meat down here. Actually, it's all kinds of chicken bones. I never get my meat down here. I always get it at Hypermart, where you can get meats here. Also, I think the Philippines is the #1 producer of plastic trash, garbage, refuse in the world. And a lot of it has to do with these sachets. Everything they sell here is in sachets. And these things are just scattered all over the place. Mahalo na. And you can get Chinese toys, doodads, all kinds of stuff. They got ukay-ukay down here. You can get your cheap used clothing. Rice has basically doubled in price since I moved here 6 years ago. It's not affecting me because I don't like price, but if you're a Filipino, it's affecting you. Gasoline has also almost doubled. Also, if you like candy, these are called pillows, and these are like chocolate-filled crackers, and they have the ube ones also. These are actually really good, and they make a good breakfast cereal as well. Also, for all the scantily clad Filipinas in your life, come down here to get some really short shorts. And a good selection of bras. I don't know if those will fit. In this central section down here, they have all the produce. I also never get my produce down here because I live closer to the Daro produce market on Tuesdays and Fridays at noontime. It's all organic, locally sourced produce. It's dirt cheap. You can't go wrong. Over yonder, and you can literally feel it in your throat, the stench of this place. This is where they got all the meats. And the reason it smells so bad, it's not the stuff that's on display that smells that bad, but underneath the floor of this is a drainage area. And what they do is they hose it down every day, and all the freaking fish, meat, chicken, all that stuff goes underneath here and rots. So that's the smell you're getting right there. Oh, they got some nice cuts here. Yeah. So when you're in a public market and you're smelling that horrible stench, like you can literally taste it. Unsa imong gusto? Ñano o pao? Oh, okay. See, when you know a little bit of the language, you can bust them when they're giving you a hard time. Calling me bald. How dare he? Oh, because I'm bald. Also down here, and Filipinos love this, they got little carinderias over here, and they're big on that chocolate rice breakfast thing. And this is the place that everybody goes to get their chocolate rice for breakfast. It's pretty interesting. So that's basically it. I mean, there's dry goods, produce, meats, everything you need in every little town, village, hamlet in the Philippines they got at the public market. The one in Darwin burnt down like 3 years ago and they still haven't completely replaced it. Also, you can get your chanelas down here for about 45 pesos. That's less than $1. Hello, good morning. And if you have a puppy, that's really important because the puppy's gonna chew up your chanelas because you're inadvertently gonna leave them around sometimes and they're gonna get eaten. Got some more produce. You got mops, you gotta have mops. All kinds of Christmas stuff from China. Also, you can get your nails done here. You can get a pedicure. These ladies are getting pedicures. Good morning, good morning. Everybody's getting their pedicures. And there's more chocolate going on over here. There's also parking. A lot of parking here because you gotta park. And actually over there or over here is where I get my chanelas. And all kinds of sugary bread products if you need those. You can buy cakes here. They got everything. They got all kinds of stuff. Pastries. Oh, and these are really good. These are my favorite Filipino chocolate. Well, second favorite. I like the take-its too, but these Hello chocolate bars, these are freaking good. And I don't wonder why I haven't lost weight. Oh, so this is my Suki para akong chinela. For my chanelas, this is where I get my flip-flops. 45 pesos each. All right, so enough of the tour. This is actually the staircase up to the city veterinarian's office. This is gate 3. I forgot what building number this is. Maybe it's building 4. I don't know. But we're gonna go back up and see if we can find Brigette and Shichai. I see my puppy. Thank you, ladies, for letting me film that. We're done. How you doing? You okay? Sit. 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 No, that's not sitting. That's jumping. I know you're nervous. She was shaking earlier. She's shy around people, especially kids. She's very wary of small children because she was traumatized.
She's an introvert.
She's an introvert, yes. She's an introvert, right?
She's an introverted dog.
So we're gonna get you clipped. You're gonna be all drugged up and finally calm.
For the first time?
For the first time, she'll be calm. Because usually she's crazy.
That means that Brigette is a half Labrador.
She's half Labrador? And half what?
Half crazy.
Half crazy? Half Labrador, half Labrador. All right, and so we brought Brigette down here on the motor, on my scooter. And she's gonna be going back on a trike because she's gonna be sedated. So Chicha has her rough clothes on in case Brigette is leaking. So, wish us luck. Good luck. Okay. Alright, so Brigette just got her first shot into her leg. I'm not sure which one is going to put her to sleep. But nothing slows this dog down, so we'll see what happens.
First one will make her vomit.
Oh, this is going to make her vomit?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, she's not looking good. She's stumbling. Yeah, she's not doing good. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Yeah. She's going down. She's going down for the count. There she goes. Good girl. It's okay. It's okay, Bridgie. It's okay. She's not asleep. She's just really relaxed. This is the most relaxed she's ever been. Gotta remember, we gotta take video of this for posterity.
For the first time.
Yay, she's wagging her tail. Alright, so the paralytic has taken effect. Now they're giving her another shot that's gonna put her to sleep. I think that's the phenobarbital. You're gonna go to sleep. You're gonna sleep. You love sleeping. You're gonna go to sleep. The cradle will fall, and down will come Brigette playing on. Did you sleep? Bridget, you there? Hello? Anybody home? I got pork buns. My poor dog. Alright, we're not going to film this part, so we'll just resume after the operation is over. Oh, my poor little sweetie pie. Alright, who do we pay?
The doctor.
Alright, she's going to pay for Bridget's out. Okay, so this is scary because it looks like she's dead, but she's not. She's just still out. Her little tongue's hanging out. Alright, that's a little better. So she's out completely. So what we're gonna do is Chichai is gonna bring Bridget back home on the tricycle, and I'm gonna go to the vet to get the cone of shame, and we gotta go to the pharmacy, and we gotta pick up some food too. So it was 1,800 pesos to get a female spayed, and this is good because we don't have to worry about her getting assaulted by the neighbor dogs. And that's it. Hopefully she'll come back to consciousness at some point. She's breathing really shallow. And this is Ned.
Chichai.
Bridget. And we'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Bye. Bridget, welcome back to the land of the living. How was your trip? Get you some water for a tongue. I'm so high right now. This is some good stuff. I'm so high. This China White's the bomb. I'm trying to stand up, but my appendages aren't working. Hey. Easy, take it slow, sweetie. She's coming for the food. I'm cooking food. Careful, you're gonna fall. Oh, she peed. It's okay. It's okay. That's a good pee. You know why? Because it's tile. She's scared. Alright, I gotta take care of her. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.